Katanungan ay manggagaling kay Laika. Cup or scripture? Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Cup! Ikaw naman ang tatanungin. Cup or scripture? Let go and let God. Oh my gosh. Scripture? Ay, oh my God! Ala! Cup or scripture? True love waits. Cup. Yes, tama siya. Ano pa tayo ng iba pa nating magugulo? Yan, our next question. Alam mo yung cup or scripture? We are all children of God. Cup or scripture? Scripture. Tama. What? Tagal. Kala ko malilito ka. Ha? Cup or scripture? Ay, wala pa pala. Satan is the king of hell. King?
Cup.
Bakit? Bakit cup?
Kasi cup.
Bakit?
Kasi cup.
Ay, galing, tinanong ko ba? Napaka-unfair. Kasi nga, di ba, si Satan is the father of lies.
So, cup was
Tama. Magtatanong ulit tayo. Alam mo yung cup or scripture? Hindi, hulaan mo lang kung cup siya o scripture siya. So, magbibigay ako sa'yo ng verse or ng statement. Tapos, sabihin mo kung kasabihan yun or scripture yun. Or galing talaga sa Bible yun. Cup? Oo, cup or scripture. Ano spelling ng cup? C-A-P. So, cup or scripture? You can do all things as long as you believe in yourself. Cup. Cup. Bakit po? Bakit?
You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you.
Ayun! Yes! Thank you! Ayan. So, Jessa, cup or scripture? Love covers all multitude of wrongs.
Ulit.
Love covers all multitude of wrongs.
Cup.
Scripture! Love covers all multitude of wrongs. Cup?
What?
Ito mo malalaman kung sino yung nagbabasa ng Bible. Itong video na to ay hindi para pahiyain. Pahiyain ng mga ating kapwa. Nagkakamali rin tayo. Baka nakalimutan lang ako na mental block.
Naka-English kasi, baka nalimutan nila.
Yeah.